A deadly trench collapse in the West Valley, devastating 2 Arizona families.
Now those relatives are speaking exclusively to ABC15 investigator Ann Ryman and calling for changes to the state's worker safety program. They say we need more inspections and higher fines to protect workers from injuries and death.
He was 6'3", huge guy with a shaved head, but a soft, innocent soul.
Deanna Morey wishes every day that her brother Rudy was still around.
He was just everything to our family.
The 33-year-old was a pipe layer in Phoenix.
He was always the first one in and the last one out.
But on July 23, 2020, Deanna's phone wouldn't stop ringing.
The first call that I picked up, it was my mom and my twin sister. My mom was saying, "We think something happened to your brother at work."
At the same time, Alex Quaresma's fiance Tara was also getting calls. He worked at the same trench company as Rudy.
I dropped everything and just went and didn't know what to expect. I'm thinking it was something minor. They had everything roped off and police everywhere and EMS crews, and I'm just like, what's happening? What's going on? Nobody can really tell me anything.
The crew was digging a sewer line in a home construction site. The sides of the trench collapsed, burying Rudy and Alex. A police officer tried to dig them out, but couldn't save them.
I just kind of blacked out at that point. I just felt I wasn't in my body and I wasn't in that moment.
And we started to go into who allowed this to happen.
The Arizona Division of Occupational Safety and Health, or ADOSH, oversees worker safety. They said the company, Construction Specification Solutions, failed to have an adequate protective system in place and also didn't train workers to recognize unsafe conditions. For the serious safety violations that led to the deaths of Rudy and Alex, ADOSH fined the company $8,000.
These companies are getting slapped on the wrist and being sent on their way, and people are having to deal with the devastation in their family.
The ABC15 investigators found total fines given to companies have gone down across Arizona. Records show from fiscal year 2017 to 2021, fines for safety violations declined from $1.1 million a year to $568,000. Workplace inspections also have declined by more than 50% in that same 5-year period, from more than 1,200 to less than 500.
That's a significant problem.
Dave Wells is with the Grand Canyon Institute, a nonprofit that studies public policies.
Arizona is a growing state. We have more people moving here, so we should expect inspections to be going up, not down.
He has advocated for OSHA, the federal government's worker safety agency, to take over Arizona's program. And OSHA actually threatened to do so, not once, but twice, in 2012 and 2022. But 2 months ago, OSHA backed off. OSHA said it's still concerned about the decline in inspections, but it's working with ADOSH to increase them. Loved ones of Rudy and Alex want more workplace inspections, larger fines, and an overhaul of Arizona's worker safety program.
I want to bring attention to this ongoing, excruciating, heartbreaking circumstance that seems to happen quite often.
I feel that everyone needs to be held accountable, and they're not. My brother would be here if people were held accountable, and these things need to change. It's just devastating.
We reached out to ADOSH. They responded with a statement saying, "We've worked tirelessly to improve workplace safety."
In 2022, they increased the maximum penalties for safety violations. In the last 8 months, they've hired 13 people in the compliance division, and they have done 353 workplace safety trainings in the last year.
We also reached out to the company the men worked for comment. They declined comment, citing ongoing legal action. I'm investigator Ann Ryman, ABC15 Arizona.